Over the years, I've met a lot of great people riding dirt bikes. It's awesome how a hobby or sport can bring so many different people together. Back in February 2022, I was invited to join Stanley King and his crew for a ride out at Jean. This is a group of fast, hardcore desert riders. These guys rip. In that group was Renaissance Mike. He's this tatted up biker looking dude with a braided beard who looks like he could just rip your head off. I'm guessing that's how he got the name Renaissance Mike. But after riding with him that day out at Jean, I found out how cool of a dude he was. He was instantly a friend to me. We shared some laughs and chatted for a bit on the trail.
My advice. I'm geared too tall on that.
Yeah.
I changed the gear in the Command here because they suggested it when I moved here.
Yeah.
So I should have stayed stock.
You're a little tired after that? Going for a little walk?
That's the end of it, Poppy.
I was really looking forward to riding with Mike again. Little did I know, that was the first and last time I would get the opportunity to ride with him. Over the summer, Stan shared some sad news. We lost Mike. He passed away doing what he loved, and that was riding dirt bikes. It was a tragic accident and a shock to everyone who knew him. I was sad to hear he was gone. I wish I met Mike years ago because I feel like I've been missing out. Even though I only met Mike that one time, I felt like I knew him well. That's just how riding dirt bikes is. After you spend a solid day climbing hills, railing single track, and going bar to bar with each other, you feel like you're instantly friends. You share the challenges, laugh about your fuck-ups, and support each other. The whole goal is to have fun, and that's what Mike was all about. So recently Stan gave me the heads up and invited me to join the crew out at Nelson for a memorial ride. It was one of Mike's favorite places. A huge group of riders showed up for the ride. It was a beautiful day, and we were all stoked to be there in honor of Renaissance Mike.
Uh-oh. I hope he moves by the time I get there. Perfect. Cactus garden, don't crash. Oh! That was a little extra credit right there. I thought Stan was taking a shit. I'm like, I stopped and I had eye contact and it was really weird for a minute. What happened, Mike?
After an awesome 3-hour ride, we made our way up to the descent. There were a few other groups of riders who also met us up there. JT even made it in his side-by-side because he recently broke his wrist and couldn't ride that day. Curry and Stan had a few nice words to say, and then we all spread Mike's ashes in his final resting place. It was awesome to be part of it all, and I'm sure Mike would have been proud. He would have loved it.
He loved off-road. He loved anything with 2 wheels. The guy loved all of us. And this is exactly how he wanted it. I miss my friend dearly, as I know a lot of you do as well. He's already out at Gene, part of him, and the other part of him is going to be out here, right where he wanted to be. So those of you who want to come and take a little bit and say a couple things as you're spreading him out, feel free to do so. If anybody else wants to say anything, go ahead, Stan.
The reason why we're at this exact spot, I was riding with Mike like 5 years ago, and we're doing the Idaho Trail. So we were right at the step up. We just got done, and we were like gassed out. You know, it's like, obviously now it's wrecked, but Mike looks at me and he goes, "When I die, I want you to spread my ashes right here." And I kind of looked at him really stupid. I was like, "What are you talking about, dude? You're healthy, you know, you're young, you're in good shape, no problem." And then he's like, he kind of looked at me and he just saw how confused I was. He goes, "No, no, 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 no." He goes, "I like Nelson, right at the descent." Yeah. And I go, "Bro, so basically like where the ride is?" He goes, "Yeah, that's good, good." So that's why we're here and that's why he's there. So let me have a hit of Mike there.
There you go.
Well, I just want to say thank God for guys like Mike, because it makes me get to know guys like you. That's a rare thing. Really lucky to be part of it.
God bless you.
Brothers.